The Mecatech POP system enables you to change the CV boot without removing the drive shaft or dismantling the CV joint. Remove the wheel. Undo the brake caliper assembly with an Allen key. Remove the main hub nut. Free the hub by separating either suspension or steering components. Finally, remove the shaft from the hub. Using a screwdriver or other tool, remove the clamps from the failed CV boot. Cut away the old boot and take it off the shaft. Clean away the old grease to ensure that the joint is not excessively worn. Working on a clean bench, turn the POP boot inside out. Empty the whole contents of the boot lube sachet, provided with each boot, onto the cone. Coat the whole area of the cone. Using dry hands, place the POP over the cone. Push the POP down to the bottom of the cone. The special shape of the cone will hold the boot in place. Take both to the vehicle and place the shaft inside the cone. Push the CV boot gently down over the end of the cone. The cone's shape and the elasticity of the boot will help the POP slide over easily. Remove the cone. You can now turn the boot back the right way, making sure the small diameter is completely out, and wipe away any excess gel if necessary. Load the CV joint with the entire contents of its tube of special grease, provided with each POP. Introduce the boot to the back of the joint. The special interior of the POP CV boot enables it to fit automatically to the shape of the CV joint. Place the large clamp provided with the POP into the appropriate guide, passing it through the buckle twice in order to tighten more efficiently. Using the special Mecatech key, tighten the clamp by turning the handle until the rubber moves slightly. Turn the clamp over 180 degrees. Flatten the fastening gears and cut off the excess clamp using the Mecatech snips. Always finish with the buckle forming a neat low profile, with the tail pointing towards the rear of the car. Ensure that the CV boot shape is correct. It should not be compressed nor stretched, which leads to deformation. The correct basis is the POP's natural length. Once the POP is correctly in position, fix the small clamp, passing through the buckle only once. Tension and finish in the same way as for the large end. Finally, cut away the excess rubber if necessary. Check that the joint moves freely without distress to the boot. The boot replacement is complete. The vehicle can be reassembled. You have saved time and increased your productivity. The Mecatech POP system is a CV boot covering 98% of the automobile market, provided with a sachet of lubricant, a tube of grease, an installation cone, and a tightening key with clamps. For four-wheel drives, saloons and light commercial vehicles, there is the MegaPop CV boot and its extension cone. The POP CV boot is guaranteed for life.